Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to tell you about integers. What are integers? And believe me, it is very easy to understand. Let's go. Now what are integers? Integers are the collection of positive numbers, zero and negative numbers. The positive numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4 together with 0 and negative numbers like -1, -2, -3, -4 are called integers. Some examples are positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. These are positive integers. Negative integers -1, -2, -3, -4, -800 and of course 0. All these numbers are integers. Which numbers are not integers? Decimals like 2.65, 16.35, -3.86, -7.5 and fractions like 2 by 3, 37 by 3, -3 by 4, -60 by 5 and roots like square roots, cube roots or all numbers with a radical sign are not integers. So all positive decimals, all negative decimals, all positive fractions, all negative fractions and all roots, square roots, cube roots, these are not integers. If you would like to appear in a simple test, then you are most welcome. The question is, which of these numbers are integers? And these are the questions. Now please pause the video and solve the questions. Please pause the video. Welcome back. I hope that you have attempted all these questions. Let me help you. Now 19. What is 19? 19 is an integer. -41 is an integer. 0 is of course an integer. But 2 by 3 is not an integer. -17 by 5 is not an integer. Root 37 is not an integer. 2.56 is not an integer. -36.89 is not an integer. This is also not an integer, but this is an integer. So let's check it out. These are the correct answers. Okay, now again pause the video and check. Now let's go. Your marking should be in the integers only. +1 for correct answer, -1 for incorrect answer and 0 for not attempting answers. So your marking should be in the integers only. Don't assign yourself +2 by 3 for correct answer or say -2.5 for incorrect answers. These are in the integers. And please tell me about your marks in the comment section. Let's proceed further. So we see that integers are the set of or the collection of negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers, and these are the examples. So what are integers? Integers are the collection of negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers, and these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 are natural numbers. We know that natural numbers are nothing but counting numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are natural numbers. So we can say that in the integers, the natural numbers together with 0 and negative numbers are called integers. In other words, collection of all negative numbers along with the 0 and natural numbers is called integers. Once again, if we include 0 with natural numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, you know that these are whole numbers. What are whole numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now if we put the whole numbers and the negative numbers together, the new collection of number is known as integers. Or we can say that the collection of all negative numbers along with whole number is known as integers. Some questions: are all natural numbers integers? Are all whole numbers integers? Are all integers natural number? Are all integers whole number? But first, before attempting these questions, let us take an example. Mumbai is a city of Maharashtra state of India. Every resident of Mumbai is a resident of Maharashtra, and every resident of Maharashtra state is the resident of India. In the similar manner, all natural numbers are whole numbers and all whole numbers are integers. Also, every resident of Mumbai is also the citizen of India. In the similar manner, all natural numbers are integers. But every Indian is not the resident of Mumbai. Every Indian is not Mumbaikar. Every Indian is not Maharashtrian, because there are other states also in India. There are other cities also in India. In the similar manner, all integers are not whole numbers. All integers are not natural numbers. So now we can answer this question. Are all natural numbers integer? Yes, all natural numbers are integers. Are all whole number integers? Yes, all whole numbers are integers. Are all integers natural number? No, not all integers are natural numbers. Are all integers whole number? No, not all integers are whole number. In short, integers are the collections of negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers, or negative numbers, 0 and natural numbers together called integers, or the collection of all negative numbers along with whole numbers is called integers. These all are same thing, but we are expressing it in different ways. So integers, once again I am repeating, integers are the set of negative numbers, 0 or positive number. This is the first way to tell. Another way, integers are the collection of negative numbers along with 0 and natural numbers. And yet another way is that integers are the collection of negative numbers and whole numbers put together. That's all, friend. If you like my video, please like, comment, share, subscribe and push the bell notification. Thanks a lot. See you in the next video. God bless you.